exhibits today. This is Brother Hernan Falcon, live here at the SMX Manila for the Philippine Medical Expo. At kasama po natin ngayon, one of the distributor that will give you a good and quality product. Siyempre, kikita rin po tayo. Let's welcome the GPAX. At kasama po natin ngayon, siyempre ang kanilang Elixir advocate. Let's welcome Mr. Jonas Cosme. Hello, sir.
Hello, everyone.
Okay, so let's start muna, sir, bago introduce natin yung ating mga kasama. Kailan ba siya nag-start itong GPAX, sir?
Yes, GPAX International started last 2015. Ang ating pong ang ating CEO ay isang Malaysian national.
Malaysian.
Yes. And yung mga board of directors natin is Filipino and some Taiwanese and Chinese.
So,
Yeah.
still growing.
Yes.
And penetrating the Philippines.
Yeah, actually we celebrate our 9th year anniversary last
mag-iisang
August.
dekada na.
Yeah.
All right. Okay, pakilala natin before we continue our discussion. Let's welcome the independent distributor, the beauty and the pretty Miss Jacqueline Bon Ramonay.
Good afternoon, everyone. Andito po kami ngayon sa ating SMX Expo 2024 po to join this beautiful event for this month of August po.
Okay, being a distributor, no, so are you targeting a distributor and wholesaler, right?
Yes, right now po.
Okay, so mamaya babalikan ko yan, sir. Paano po natin magiging distributor sila.
Okay,
But
po.
let's welcome Paulo. Let's welcome Paulo. Ito po.
Hello guys, this is Paulo Ramos, one of the Elixir advocates and representatives for GFox International.
Okay, Paulo, let's talk about the product or the lines of product. Ano ba yung dala po ng GPAX dito sa Philippine Medical Expo?
Well, GFox International has three main products. No, we have products for weight management, we have skincare and cosmetics, and advanced health and nutrition. Dito sa Phil Medical Expo, ang dala natin is yung pinaka-flagship premium product natin, which is yung Elixir Placenta. So it comes in the one capsule, imagine, one capsule comes with 3 special functions: stem cell therapy, DNA repair, and anti-inflammatory therapy. So if you're looking for a product that would be good for anti-aging, if you want something good for your daily supplementation, or if you have a health concern, okay? Usually Filipinos, habang nagkakaedad, nagkakaroon na ng mga concerns yan. And definitely, we have a lot of testimonials already for this Elixir Placenta.
Alright. So napakalaking tulong nito, no, para magkaroon ng anti-aging, no? At ano pa yung ibang mga product natin, sir, na makakatulong sa Pilipinas, sir?
Well, aside from Elixir Placenta, we have products such as Ganoderma King. So those are tablets made of Ganoderma lucidum na mushrooms. We also have what we call GFox Spirulina. For skincare, we have the classic GFox Kojic soap. We also
pampaganda ng balat.
Yes, we also have a rejuvenating set, My Jeju rejuvenating set. We also have ano pa ba yung mga nasa ano natin? For our weight loss, we have AM Fit Milk Tea and AM Fit Coffee. So, yun naman nakakatulong sa na makapagmabawas ng timbang, and at the same time, ma-enjoy mo pa and hindi pa hahapdi yung tummy mo. So, it's tummy friendly.
Nakakatulong din siya sa magandang pagtulog, tama po ba?
Yes, very much.
Okay, sir, balik natin kay boss. Sir, ano yung advantage ng product nyo to the other player? Ano ba yung kaiba dito sa produkto nyo, sir?
Actually, yung stem cell therapy ay bago talaga siya sa market.
Yes, sir.
Marami din naman nagpo-promote ng stem cell therapy right now sa online, lalong-lalo sa Facebook. Pero ang pinagkaiba natin is meron tayong 3-in-1 therapy.
At saka siyam na taon na naglilingkod.
Yeah.
So, okay, when it comes to advantage nyo, kumbaga yung quality nyo, okay, meron ba itong mga parang pre-seminar or para i-educate nyo sila how to use it, sir?
Yes, actually, meron kaming website na pwede kayo mag-inquire. At meron kami mga video doon, naka-feature din doon yung ating doctor, si Doc Francis De Canchon. So, pwede nyo pong i-visit sa aming Facebook, sa aming website. It is www.elixiradvocate.org. At makikita nyo po dyan yung mga legit na nag-promote ng Elixir Placenta, at pwede nyo pong i-click kung sino man yung mga available dun sa area nyo.
Wow! So lahat, alimbawa, they are requesting for a group's seminar or presentation, pwede kayong tawagan. Meron ba kayong mga Gmail or pwede silang kontakin po kayo, sir?
Yes, people can contact us dun sa aming website. Then you can also call us sa aking personal mobile number.
Yes,
It is 0955-615-8643. So yun po ay my business number. So pagka nag-chat po kayo or nag-text po kayo or call, ay automatically po i-assist po namin kayo.
Ito po ba 24 hours, sir?
Yes, yes, yes. Oo.
So you're not, I think you're not only building a business, but you are building a relationship, right?
Yes, yes.
Kumbaga, ma'am, talungin natin si ma'am, as what is your experience being a distributor of this product, ma'am?
Number one, our experience being a distributor to our product is to give the benefits to our patient. Number one, ito po talaga yung best. We can give the tending loving care by communicating to our patient that we can give hope na gagaling po sila.
Yes.
Especially for those CA patient po natin right now na napakamahal po ng pagpapagamot.
Papadoktor at
Yes, papagamot, papa-hospital. So dito po, we can give an alternative option that they could give investment. Kung gagastos rin lang naman po kayo, why don't you not try this Elixir Placenta Stem Cell? At 3-in-1 stem cell therapy po, and you can give the result in a span of 6 months. Marami na po.
6 na buwan.
Yes po. So marami na po tayong mga patient na gumaling. At the same time, lahat ng patient po natin ay nagkaroon po ng kanya-kanyang testimony on how they can get na makuha nila yung totoong kagalingan when it comes to our Elixir Placenta Stem Cell.
Wow. So ito yung naging experience ng maraming tao
Yes,
na
no.
nag-benefit nitong GPAC.
Apo, sa mga CA patient, not only for the CA patient, especially nowadays na tumataas po ang mga comorbidity disease natin like diabetic, hypertension.
Naku, yan ang sakit ng
So,
Pilipino
isa po
minsan
yan sa mga matataas ngayon na mga case right now. Not only that, we have also doon sa mga patient natin na mga may lymphobic arthritis. At the same time, yung mga patient po natin na marami pa pong nararanasang sakit like ay tinatawag po nating mga psoriasis, yun po yung mga mahirap pong mga sakit na ginagamot through topical gel. But when you try to drink our Elixir Placenta Stem Cell, in a span of 1 week, you can get the result.
Mararanasan mo na experience
Yes po.
para merong nangyari
Yes
sa loob
po.
mo.
Even to the rheumatoid arthritis patients
Yes,
natin na nakadepend na po sa ating mga NSAID drugs, after 24 hours, you can see the relief of the patient na nagkakaroon po ng mga sakit po sa mga kasukasuan po nila. So not only that, since this is a regenerating therapy, it is also a healing therapy for our patient po na
Yun.
nagkakaroon po talaga ng mga sakit na nararanasan.
Alright, nako, exciting na ako na maging partner po kayo. Sir, meron pa tayong hanggang tomorrow, tapos isa pang araw. May 2 days pa tayo. So pwede mo ba silang imbitayan, Paulo, na ma-meet kayo? No? At syempre sa lahat po, after the show, please share and like this video. Syempre kahit wala na po ang Philippine Medical Expo dito sa SMX, pero mapapanood nyo ito sa YouTube, Facebook, syempre sa website ng Exhibits Today. Paulo, imbitahan mo sila na maging partner mo. Siyempre, sino ba yung mga target market mo? Pwede ba silang bumili ng wholesale o maging distributor din katulad ni ma'am?
Yes, actually, anyone can be a distributor of GFAX International. Just like what I mentioned kanina, no, we have different lines of products, but we highly recommend you go for a premium package of Elixir Placenta. No? So once na you become part of GFAX International, meron ka ng access sa iba't ibang mga trainings, seminars, online man or offline, mga future promos and events. So kami po, GFAX International, we are here at the Phil Medical Expo from August 14, 15, and 16.
What number, sir?
Booth number 195. So looking forward na magkita-kita po tayong lahat, and of course ma-enjoy nyo rin yung mga ibang mga innovations dito at yung mga ibang mga booths dito. So we'll see you guys very soon.
Wow, palapakalan natin. Wow, very powerful. At syempre, the last word from the President, sir. Hello, sir.
So yun, ini-invite po namin kayo dito sa Philippine Medical Expo 2024. So napakaganda ng ating setup dito at makikita mo talaga yung different
Energy, no?
yes, yung different technology na meron na i-open dito sa ating Pilipinas, so para maging advance yung medical ng ating bansa. So kung kayo po ay gusto niyo mag-visit dito, pwede niyo kaming bisitahin sa 195 na booth. At pwede nyo pong makilala ang Elixir Placenta, kung saan ay ito po ang nag-iisang oral stem cell na merong 3-in-1 therapy sa market. So, see you po at pag-usapan po natin.
Yes, palapang naman natin. Thank you very much, ma'am. At
Thank you so much,
ito
sir.
po si Brother Hernan Falcon ay nagpapasalamat po tayo sa ating major sponsor. Siyempre ang Fireworks na siya pong organizer nitong Philippine Medical Expo. Siyempre ang SMX Manila na tayo po ang media partner nila at siyempre ang exhibits today, Binyo Design, Swedish Design, na gumawa po ng mga booth dito po sa SMX Manila. Ito po, si Brother Hernan Falcon, nagpapasalamat din po kay Mr. Wick Angeles, our executive producer. Always say, God bless you.